Hey everyone, welcome back to the studio. As a video producer, my day is all about creating, editing, and making content. That means my time is my most valuable asset, and the last thing I want to do is spend hours sweeping and mopping a large space, especially one with mainly wood flooring. Large homes or a studio like this rarely get cleaned in one pass. I always have to stop and wait for a long recharge, which completely breaks my workflow. But ECOVACS is back with the new DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone. And I'm not just looking at a vacuum, I'm looking at a productivity tool that could take a huge task off my plate and let me focus on my business. This is the ultimate solution for a large studio or home. With the PowerBoost technology, the DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone gets seamless power top-ups while already doing a pit stop for a mop wash. That means a single continuous cleaning session that can cover up to 1,000 square meters without stopping to recharge. The secret is fast charging, the same class used in premium laptops and smartphones. It's efficient, fast, and stable, and compact. On a robot vacuum, it means a quick top-up during short dock breaks instead of hours of waiting. Open concept living and dining areas in a studio means sticky spills are a given on my wood floors, and dirty mops can leave streaks. The DEEBOT X11's OZMO ROLLER 2.0 solves that. It applies powerful downforce, about 16 times stronger than the traditional dual disc vacuums, and infuses fresh water for a deep scrub without smearing. And with TruEdge 3.0, that annoying strip of dust left along the wall is finally gone. Its air cushion suspended roller extends right to the edge for a spotless finish. My studio's long wood floors collect fine dust and the rugs trap debris. The DEEBOT X11's blast suction delivers one pass pickup, so I don't have to waste time redoing the same spot. Don't get tricked by big PA numbers. Some robots just shrink the nozzle to boost the specs, but that doesn't mean they pick up more dust. What matters is airflow and the real suction performance, and that's what Blast is built for. There's nothing more frustrating than getting a help me notification interrupting your creative workflow or whatever you're working on, especially when a vacuum gets stuck trying to transition from wood floors to rugs or over some sort of obstacle. The TruePass four-wheel drive system is a solution to thresholds and thick rugs. For a large space, high-frequency cleaning means frequent maintenance. The OmniCyclone Station is completely bagless, eco-friendly, low maintenance, and cost-saving. My favorite productivity hack has to be Agent Eco. The AI voice assistant, instead of pausing my work to pull out my phone, I can just tell the vacuum what to do. Eco, clean the living room rug. It's seamless and it lets me stay on my creative workflow. So what does this all look like in the real world scenario? My journey started with a simple unboxing and app setup. The first mapping in my studio is fast, and now I simply turn it on and let it get to work. It's an automated member of my team. After putting the vacuum to the test, here's my verdict. The DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone is an absolute game changer. The pros, it handles single sessions, whole home cleaning with ease. The true 1.5 centimeter edge and stable obstacle crossing means no manual touch-ups. And it's incredibly low maintenance, plus it looks great. My only cons are the base size, the self-cleaning noise, and the fact that the solutions are sold separately. So, who is this for? If you have a large space and you have multiple rooms, pets, or just want to save time, this is definitely for you. The X11 is more than a vacuum. It's a tool that helps me focus on my video production business And if I have one at home, which I have a robot at home, it gives me time with my family over taking care of tasks like this. I'm pretty sure you could relate that you'd want to spend more time on things that are more important than cleaning. I mean, cleaning is important, but you get what I mean.